In this video, we review Charles Schwab and Merrill Lynch. Have you used Charles Schwab or Merrill Lynch before? What was your experience? Leave your Charles Schwab or Merrill Lynch review in the comments section below. By the way, if you're looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. Let's continue with our video. Charles Schwab and Merrill Lynch are prominent financial institutions offering a range of investment and wealth management services. While both cater to investors, they differ significantly in their approach, services, and client experiences. Charles Schwab, established in 1973, is renowned for its low-cost investment options and user-friendly platforms. It offers commission-free trades on stocks, ETFs, and options, making it an attractive choice for self-directed investors. Schwab provides extensive research tools, educational resources, and a variety of investment products, including mutual funds and bonds. Its customer service is accessible through multiple channels, including phone, chat, and in-person consultations. However, some clients have reported challenges with customer support, citing long wait times and difficulties in resolving issues. Additionally, while Schwab offers a wide range of investment options, its advisory services may not be as comprehensive as those of traditional wealth management firms. Merrill Lynch, a division of Bank of America, focuses on personalized wealth management and investment services. It provides a full spectrum of financial services, including financial planning, retirement planning, and estate planning. Merrill Lynch offers access to a team of financial advisors who tailor strategies to individual client needs. The firm also provides a range of investment products, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and annuities. However, these personalized services come at a higher cost, with fees that can be more substantial compared to discount brokerage firms. Some clients have expressed concerns about the transparency of these fees and the pressure to invest in proprietary products. When comparing the two, Charles Schwab appeals to investors seeking low-cost, self-directed investment options with robust research tools and educational resources. Its platform is designed for those who prefer managing their investments independently. In contrast, Merrill Lynch is suited for individuals desiring personalized financial advice and comprehensive wealth management services, albeit at a higher cost. The choice between the two depends on an investor's preference for self-directed investing versus personalized financial planning and the associated costs. In summary, Charles Schwab and Merrill Lynch offer distinct advantages and disadvantages. Charles Schwab provides cost-effective, self-directed investment options with extensive research tools, making it ideal for independent investors. Merrill Lynch offers personalized wealth management services with access to dedicated financial advisors, suitable for those seeking tailored financial strategies. Prospective clients should carefully consider their investment goals, desired level of service, and budget when choosing between the two institutions.